Wait there.
It's the best fence with a box Catholic.
Thank you.
I think we're going that way. I think
Look
at the state of Kaleigh. Look at the state of it.
You can fit that whole thing in here now. That's magical. Would you like to know? Where do they go? Anyone else? No. I'm going to go for them. Strange child.
No, but why not?
It's actually strange and boring. Oh no, the surface mum makes amazing too. We all just sat there in the kitchen and laughing our heads off. Hi, Nikki. No! Okay. No one's going to want to eat anything in this bag. It's too trying to do it that I want to do that, so I'm not going to. Yeah, because I'd do the same thing if I was you. No, you wouldn't do it, you just think about it. What? It's a dead bird! I love you. Don't say that.
So you film it?
Are you not going to walk over?
It's interesting.
Should put it in the main part of the side part.
Filming that.
Sad part.
Says you, Jake.
I'm pure.
I have an age to focus.
I think what we have here is oh my god, has anybody seen Wrong Turn where the first thing they find is a dead squirrel flat on the floor like that?
Someone take the Pepsi.
Can we do a horror film?
Yeah, we should do a horror film.
Oh, they're gone now. They're into the woods.
That's nasty.
Oh, it's no.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Decomposing flesh.
Well, it's going to be sick.
Yum. What? Well, Laura should have died ages ago. That would be me and you, honey, me and you. I'm sorry you should do that. Most time of our life.
I was